12 rustic bathroom ideas you will love. Few things say rustic like natural wood finishes. This lovely bathroom from Little Farmhouse on Taylor features a wood beadboard that adds a lot of visual interest to the space. Beadboard is a traditional feature in the bathroom, but by keeping the natural wood coloring, this bathroom has an edgier, rustic feel. If you are lucky enough to have exposed brick in your bathroom, embrace it. We can't get enough of this cozy bathroom from My Little Cape Cod that proves exposed brick works in literally any room in the house. If you don't have brick, consider adding wood paneling or even a brick wallpaper to give your space a little more grit and texture. Here's another idea for anyone who wants to sprinkle in some rustic vibes without going full on country cabin. This natural wood vanity from the Crafty Couple Limited is rustic but still modern and perfect for any size bathroom. If you have been hunting for inspiration for that perfect modern farmhouse look, check out this beautiful bathroom from Montgo Farmhouse. This space is large but still homey, and feels welcoming and warm with its use of natural wood elements and industrial-inspired wall sconces. We love this modern bathroom from Gibeon Photo. The natural wood vanity and black metal mirror give this space a farmhouse feel while still looking modern and updated. If you want to avoid a heavy cabin-like feel in your rustic bathroom, opt for lighter wood finishes and white tiles. If you are hunting for a renovation idea that embraces a more vintage, traditional look, consider a shabby chic bathroom like this one from 220 North Designs. This distressed white vanity is the perfect way to add a rustic flair to your bathroom while still keeping it light and airy. We can't get enough of a well-placed barn door, and this one from Delighted with the Details captures exactly why we love them so much. Not only are barn doors functional, but they are equally beautiful, adding style and interest to a space. A barn door is a great way to section your bathroom off from a master suite or from a hidden linen closet. Not up for a full-on renovation? This lovely bathroom from Motherthyme proves that with just a few small accessories, you can embrace the rustic look in any space. Between the black and white plaid shower curtain and the vintage decorative sign, you get a rustic feel without a big makeover. Rustic design means embracing rough textures, unfinished materials, and natural elements. This stunning sink designed by Kelly Nut Design is one of the most creative ways to add a rustic flair to a bathroom we've ever seen. The natural limestone sink plays wonderfully with the unfinished wood vanity and the distressed brick walls. Embrace your inner Joanna Gaines and try Shiplap in your bathroom for a rustic yet modern feel. This adorable bathroom from HomeDecor_by_Carrie features a simple shiplap wall that adds visual interest and gives it a modern farmhouse vibe. Looking for a rustic bathroom idea that doesn't require a lot of commitment? We love this bathroom from Willowway Acres that features a rustic chevron wallpaper and farmhouse shutters. This is a great idea for renters who want to upgrade their bathroom without altering fixtures or flooring. Next time you find yourself browsing your local thrift store or flea market, keep an eye out for vintage mirrors. As seen in this bathroom from Fleur_at_home, a wall of vintage mirrors not only makes a room feel lighter and bigger, but it gives it a major rustic vibe. Add in a clawfoot tub, and voila! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.